Your business depends on technology, but downtime, security risks, and compliance gaps can hold you back. With IT Pros Management's managed IT services, you stay audit-ready, secure, and always online. Enjoy uninterrupted business uptime. Our proactive IT ensures a 30-minute average issue resolution and delivers 50% fewer recurring IT issues in just 3 months. With our IT department, you get a dedicated account manager for personalized service and SLA-backed onboarding that guarantees reliability and a seamless start. Compliance is built into daily IT. From HIPAA to SOC 2 and CMMC, your systems are always audit-ready, removing the burden of compliance while protecting your business. Our AI-powered service delivery uses predictive analytics to resolve issues faster, while Intelligent Ops prevents recurring problems and keeps your operations running smoothly. IT Pros Management supports 575+ end users, achieves a 98.6% client retention rate, and brings more than 15 years of trusted industry experience to every client partnership. Look what our clients are saying about our managed IT services. Real experiences from businesses that now enjoy seamless uptime, built-in compliance, and IT they can finally trust. Take the stress out of IT with IT Pros Management's managed IT services. Contact us today.